Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Tiki ke badang long hadu mentah ya ki latest position jong kini ke COVID-19 po Meghalaya, ki bala pha dadap test ki baro ki long bela dadap pha ki sani ki sampul long drew hajar sen spa sen pulai ki number of person ki bag yo negative ki long drew hajar sispa lai pupra nang ta hadu mentah ki balong positive la long arpongut aga state Meghalaya la klan no iwei kan arngut la recovered la jam but nyungut idang sa active case tiki bedang sa mentah ba waiting for the tiki bedang sa ban up iga test ki long lai spa nei pesan ngut.
No, the detail is like this only. I should say the detail is only like this, simple. They are from East Khasils. Okay? So I think that is the details.
You came from Haryana.
Okay? They are from East Khasils, and they came by that special train. Okay, from Haryana.